Myriad Foundation, in association with the British Muslim Heritage Centre, presents Being the Example, Rethinking Dawah in the UK, on the 22nd of March from 12:15 till 6 p.m. A groundbreaking and pioneering initiative bringing together scholars and activists from all over the UK to discuss and rethink our current Dawah methodologies in order to realign our efforts to the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ to ensure we are dynamic and holistic in our approach. Enjoy a 3-course meal at The Marquee, British Muslim Heritage Centre, College Road, Whalley Range, Manchester, M168BP. Book your tickets now. www.rethinkingdawah.eventbrite.co.uk. Only £15 a ticket. Get £5 off by entering promotional code IQRA TV. For further information, contact events@myriadfoundation.org.